Hey guys, um, boy, I'm a couple days late posting this, and as you can see, I've got the hiccups. Um, so, um, yeah, last couple weeks have obviously been kind of rough. I haven't really done a whole lot of interesting stuff then, but I am feeling better this morning, um, after yesterday's doctor's appointment, so that's good. But anyway, I um I did remember I've got a couple I haven't really been sketching that much, but I do have a couple of new ones that might be a little bit interesting, and I also I was boy just doodling, and I drew a maze. So anyway, I'll show you what I can here. This one. Yeah, make sure it's on the correct side. Yeah, I just did a rough sketch here. It's hard to line up. But yeah, this was just a rough sketch of one of the fortresses in the writing project that I'm working on. So there's that. Uh, and then here was another diagram of another uh, one of the one of um the cities where one of the house lords lives. And I made some notes to go along with it. So there's that. It's all just rough stuff, but anyway, here's my maze, which I thought might be kind of fun to post. Um, I doubt it's very hard, but you know, it might. I'll just let you look at it, and you probably screen capture it, and it might distract you for 30 seconds or something. So there you go. Um, that's me. I'll catch you guys later.